I spent hours watching the top videos from Amazon KDP experts Gottfried and Dollwet to distill their best advice. If you're thinking about starting your KDP journey, stay tuned because I'm about to share the essential things you must know before diving in. These tips could save you hours of time, tons of frustration, and potentially increase your profits. Let's dive in. And remember, I've got all of this written down for you on my website at reneeclancy.com. KDP is worldwide, but check your payment options. Gottfried highlights that you can run a KDP business from anywhere in the world. However, there's a critical caveat. Amazon doesn't support payments to every country. If your region isn't listed during the sign-up process, you can use Payoneer to set up a global payment account. It's free and ensures you've got your royalties set. This means KDP truly has a global reach. Don't let regional limitations stop you from getting started. Start with profitable niches. Both Greg and Sean emphasize the importance of niche research. Don't just guess what might sell. Use tools like BookBolt's keyword search to identify low competition, high demand niches. Here's how. Type in a keyword such as word search and filter results by competition. Look for A-rated niches. These have fewer competitors and more monthly searches. Examples Greg mentioned include Christmas and camping-themed word searches. Being intentional about niches from the start can prevent wasted efforts on books that don't sell. Cover design matters. According to Dollwet, a poor cover can crush your sales.
I can see the faces.
He advises avoiding overly basic or AI-generated designs that lack clarity or contrast. Your cover should clearly communicate what the book is about and stand out from the competition. If you're not a designer, consider outsourcing it to an affordable, high-quality freelancer. A small investment here can significantly boost sales. Or you can use really great sites like Kittl. I want to show you how easy Kittl is to use. Here on their homepage, remember, well, first of all of their templates you have rights to use. You don't even have to change any of it in order to be able to use it in your books. You have full licensing usage to use these, not like Canva that you have to change a certain amount, but you're always wondering how much to change. Let me show you here. If we want to go ahead and search our templates, let's type in journal book cover. And you'll see so many variety, so many options for you to choose from that you can start just from here and you can just change one thing, maybe change the year or change some colors if you want. But again, you don't have to change any of it. What I also love about some of these templates is they have a back to the book. They sometimes have a title page and you can click on it, open it up. You can even use some of their templates here for the inside of the book, but really I focus on using their covers because their covers here, as you can see, are such a variety. I use them on all of my books. Of course, accessing Fiverr is another great resource if you would like to hire someone to do your cover for you. If you don't feel comfortable with designing it yourself or using those templates on Kittl. It's what I used when I published my first book years ago, and I was really happy with the results. Templates save time. Greg stresses the power of cover templates. By creating a few versatile templates, you can quickly adjust titles, graphics, and colors to match your new niches. For example, use a generic layout for word search books and swap out graphics and colors for themes like Christmas or summer camping. This system not only saves you time, but ensures a consistent, professional look across your portfolio. Word search books are gold. One of the most popular niches Greg recommends is word search books. They're in demand, yet many creators shy away because they think making puzzles is hard. Here's the solution. Use free or paid tools like BookBolt to generate puzzles effortlessly. Customize them with unique themes to stand out from competitors. I have a few videos on this, so you make sure you check my files. The best part? Covers from word search books don't need to be overly complex, so even beginners can succeed here. Rejection emails are normal. Greg reminds us that rejection emails from Amazon are part of the process. They're not a penalty, just feedback on adjustments needed to meet Amazon's guidelines. For example, Amazon might flag issues with contributor names or formatting. Simply make the required changes and resubmit. Don't stress over rejections. Use them as learning opportunities. I know I always do.
Yeah, I hear you, sweetheart.
Marketing is a non-negotiable. Sean drives home the point that even best-designed books won't sell without marketing. I have a few that have sold without marketing, but it definitely benefits you to start with the marketing. Ideas to boost sales. Get reviews. Aim for at least 10 to 20 reviews to build credibility. Sean shares a story of a book going from 0 to 5,000 a month after gaining reviews. Run ads. Start small with Amazon ads to test your book's potential. Social media. Share your book on platforms like Instagram or TikTok to drive organic traffic. Treat your books like products. You have to tell people they exist. Efficiency is key. Greg emphasizes the importance of systems and workflows. Create templates not just for covers, but also for titles, subtitles, and descriptions. Having pre-made text that you can tweak for each book will save you hours during the upload process. For example, a title template, 50, enter theme here, word search for enter audience here. A description template could be highlight key features like puzzle count, difficulty level, and benefits. I know I always rely on ChatGPT for this, and it has been a game changer. Time is money, and efficiency will help you scale faster. Test and double down on what works. Once you find a niche that sells, Sean advises creating multiple variations of that particular book. For example, if your camping-themed word search book does well, make another with a similar theme, but a different cover or puzzle set. Maybe summer camping themes and then winter camping themes. It's really important to ensure that the interiors are unique. Randomize your puzzle word list to avoid duplication, as Amazon's guidelines require distinct content for each book, especially word searches. High-quality content wins. Both creators agree that quality matters. Whether it's a low-content coloring book or a high-content guide, ensure that your content delivers value. Poorly executed books lead to bad reviews, which can tank your sales. And set realistic expectations. Lastly, Greg and Sean stress the importance of patience and persistence. You won't get rich overnight, and that's okay. Focus on consistently publishing quality books, improving your processes, learning from what works and what doesn't. Remember, KDP is a marathon, not a sprint, but the potential for passive income is worth it. Now, if you want to hear from the experts, head on over to their channels. I know I learn a lot from them, and then I pass on the great information to you as well. And I'm trying things out as I go. Also, I'm trying their tips and tricks. I'm trying out what you tell me to do in the comments. So if you have suggestions, I welcome them in the comments below. But here are really great tips to get started from the experts.
If you say so.
Whether you're creating word searches, coloring books, or guides, remember, preparation and persistence are your best allies.